Hey everybody, it's David Cinelli here.
And Ariana Kermick.
We're doing another Fast Talk Friday. We're doing it on location. Got the sun out. Might as well do it now while we can, right?
Yeah, first one outside.
So Ariana, we were going to talk about, we had an interesting walkthrough the other day. Pretty expensive property. And we went, the house looked great.
Yeah.
And we went to the backyard.
Not so great.
Not so great. Yeah, guys, the reason why we're doing this location is, if you see, I have a pool behind me. If you are thinking about selling your property, it's probably a good idea to
clean the pool.
maintain the pool. Yeah, it's there's we've seen some, actually I've seen a number of pools. There's some sketchy things happening there. Seen some green algae growing in some of them. Seen some animals grow that passed away in other ones.
Yeah.
Worms. I've seen snakes in some, literally. So if you are selling your home and you want to keep your pool open, it's probably a good idea for you to periodically clean. You have a pool. Your parents have a pool.
Yeah.
So how often do you think they clean or have somebody come
At
take a look?
At least once a week.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, and nowadays it's good because of COVID. People want to see pools, and it's a good idea to keep it open.
Yeah.
And then if you are going to close your pool, close the deal if you have come up with an offer, and then you also want to make sure that if you are closing the deal and you're closing the pool, you have to have a reputable company come in and winterize it.
Yeah.
Who winterizes your family's pool?
I'm not sure what the company is, to be
But it's a
honest.
company,
Yeah,
right?
it's a company.
Yeah, it's a company.
I'm
And
not sure of the name, yeah.
Me personally too, I'm not that handy to know how to do it pools anyway, but I always have a company do it because I know it's done right.
Yeah.
But if you are selling your house and, for example, and you are going to be handing over the keys to somebody after you've cleaned the pool, after you winterize it, make sure you get a receipt for that. And that way you can add it to your files and make sure that the buyers know that it was done professionally. And if there's any complications after the fact, you do have some paperwork showing that you paid somebody to do it correctly and it should have been winterized and that you're off the hook. Hopefully if there's any liability in case something happens in the wintertime.
Yeah, for sure.
So clean your pools and maintain them. All right, have a great day.